Akita training for agility competitions, a high-energy sport. Akita dogs are known for their strength, intelligence, and loyalty. They were originally bred in Japan for guarding and hunting purposes, but today, they excel in various dog sports, including agility competitions. Agility training provides a perfect outlet for their boundless energy and allows them to showcase their agility, speed, and obedience skills. In this article, we will explore the world of Akita training for agility competitions, discussing the training process, the benefits of agility training, and how to prepare for a successful competition. 1. Understanding Akita Euro trademark S energy and exercise requirements. Before diving into agility training, it is crucial to comprehend the energy levels of Akitas and their exercise needs. Akitas are a high-energy breed that demands plenty of physical and mental stimulation. Regular exercise is not only necessary to maintain their overall health, but also helps in curbing any destructive or problem behaviors. Engaging in agility training not only works their body, but also challenges their mind, making it an ideal activity for Akitas. 2. Starting with basic obedience. Before introducing your Akita to agility obstacles, it is essential to establish a solid foundation in basic obedience training. Basic commands like sit, stay, come, and heel are fundamental for a successful agility training journey. Akitas are incredibly intelligent and eager to please, so training them should pose no significant challenges. Invest time in teaching and reinforcing these basic commands to build a solid communication and trust base with your Akita. 3. Introducing agility equipment. Once your Akita has grasped basic obedience commands, it's time to introduce them to agility equipment. Start with simple obstacles like tunnels, jumps, and single bars. Allow them to familiarize themselves with the equipment and teach them how to navigate each obstacle using positive reinforcement techniques. Patience and consistency are key during this phase of training. Gradually increase the complexity of the obstacles and incorporate weave poles, A-frames, teeter-totters, and seesaws as they progress. For enhancing speed and agility. As your Akita becomes more comfortable with the various agility obstacles, it's crucial to focus on speed and agility. Practice drills that involve quick turns, sudden stops, and changes in direction. Incorporate exercises like weaving through poles, navigating tight spaces, and crossing elevated platforms. Encourage and reward their enthusiasm and improvement. Regular practice will help your Akita develop the confidence and athleticism required to excel in agility competitions. 5. Proofing and distraction training. Agility competitions can be overwhelming with the presence of other dogs, crowds, and loud noises. To prepare your Akita for the distractions inherent in competitions, incorporate proofing and distraction exercises into their training routine. Gradually introduce distractions such as loud noises, toys, and other dogs, while ensuring that your Akita maintains focus and follows your commands. Repetition and exposure to various environments will help build their resilience and concentration. 6. Mental stimulation and bonding. In addition to physical exercise, mental stimulation is crucial to keep an Akita engaged and happy. Incorporate interactive puzzle toys, scent games, obedience drills, and new tricks into their training routine. Mental exercises not only provide mental stimulation but also strengthen the bond between you and your Akita. Akitas thrive on social connection, and engaging in activities that foster this connection will contribute to their overall well-being. 7. The competition experience. When preparing for an agility competition, it is essential to simulate the competition environment as much as possible during training sessions. Set up courses that mimic competition structures, incorporating various obstacles and distractions. Practice timing, precision, and focus. Gradually increase the difficulty level to match the competition standards. Attending agility trials as a spectator before participating can also give you an idea of what to expect and how to fine-tune your training further. Agility training for Akitas is an exhilarating and fulfilling experience for both the dog and handler. Not only does it provide an outlet for the Akita's energy, but it also strengthens the bond between the dog and handler and promotes their overall well-being. Remember to tailor the training to the personality and individual needs of your Akita, and always prioritize their safety and enjoyment. With patience, dedication, and consistency, you and your Akita can embark on a successful journey in the exciting world